Lab Tech Show, Tallboy here, live at PepCom. We have ShiftCam here, and they take technology on your mobile phones to another level. I have Benson here, and he's going to tell us about ShiftCam's products.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Well, we're ShiftCam. We do everything for the phone to shoot better, and you get no matter you're casual or professionals. So today I want to introduce you to the SnapGrip Pro, which is a portable charger that actually do as a grip. It is actually the first version of this released 2 years ago. It's in Apple Store worldwide. This is the upgraded version with Qi2 power chargings. With PD power charging if you want to do it more with the faster charging as well. So it is a battery grip with 5,000 milliamps and shutters with together. No matter you shoot horizontally or vertically. So that's SnapGrip Pro. Second of all, then we want to introduce onto the whole ecosystem of Snap series. There is the studio light that we're now introducing today. It is a downsized ring light that is still as powerful, built-in batteries that actually allows you to use it with conference call, in social medias, changing different colors, different brightness, and and works actually from front or back side of your camera. So both side works. That's studio lights that we have to complete the puzzle of the whole Snap series ecosystems. Lastly, I want to introduce Plang, the smallest SSD in the world.
So what does it do? The smallest SSD?
It is a 2 terabyte SSD.
2 terabytes?
Yes, 2 terabyte SSDs. They actually just plug into your phone like this.
iPhone and Android?
Yes, anything that works with SSD on USB-C, through USB-C. Disappear with your arms when you shoot, and it fits in your pocket, basically.
So can you use the grip and the SSD at the same time?
Yes, of course.
Use the creator kit with the SSD at the same time?
Of course.
How does all of this work?
Exactly. So you see that if you have a grip that actually snap, it's actually disappear in the whole systems, just at one side of the palm. Designed perfectly, ergonomically together. So just with this, you have an external storage, external power bank, external shutters that do everything, and you can actually hold it with a grip. So that's how powerful of the whole ecosystem of ShiftCam being designed together.
Who are these products designed for?
Well, we have a few target audience from influencers, creators, photographers, videographers, and we are now venturing into cinematography series, where people are working with the phone to shoot more serious and commercials filmmaking series. People usually are working in crew basis. So like anyone that want to shoot better with their phone, they will find something from ShiftCam.
Price point for the grip, price point for the creator kit, yes, and the SSD.
Yes, for the grip itself, it's retail at $79, and then it is a Qi2 power charging wireless grip that is in here. The studio light we have is at $79 as well, with the whole lighting and stances together. And for the Plang, we're launching in Kickstarter in 2 weeks, so it's going to be starting price at $125 US. $125 US, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Look in this camera right here and tell people why they should look at the ShiftCam brand and use your brand as the new mobile technology.
Well, we've been in business for 7 years. We're also in Apple stores, 500 Apple stores worldwide. Quality, innovations is everything that is in our DNAs. We believe in the future of the phone, creating with the phone. The best camera is always with you. So anything that actually we think of is something that you need. So hopefully that was something that you find on ShiftCam.com.
Website?
ShiftCam.com.
There it is. Yes. PepCom 2025, ShiftCam taking mobile technology to another level. Lab Tech Show, Tallboy, we're out.